Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder of Marketplace Valet. We help brands optimize and operate on Amazon. Since 2006, we have over 417,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to discuss all things Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to leverage coupons and promotions for bigger profits. Let's get into it. One effective strategy to increase conversions on Amazon is combining visible promotions with coupon codes in a structured way that incentivizes customers while maintaining profit margins. There are two primary types of deals: clip coupons and promotions. Clip coupons appear directly under the price as green tags and are easy for customers to apply. These tend to have a direct and immediate impact on conversion rates. Promotions, on the other hand, allow more flexibility. When creating a promotion in Seller Central, sellers can choose to make it visible on the product detail page and require a coupon code to be entered at checkout. These codes can be automatically generated by Amazon or uploaded manually, although not all custom codes will be accepted. The key tactic is to make the promotion combinable with other deals and display it on the listing while still requiring a code. This is often referred to as deal stacking. When done properly, it allows both the promotion and a clip coupon to appear simultaneously on the product detail page. This setup has several advantages. First, the customer sees multiple savings opportunities, which increases perceived value and urgency. Second, the coupon code requirement introduces a small barrier. Many buyers forget to enter the code during checkout. As a result, the promotion contributes to higher conversions without necessarily reducing the price for every transaction. Sellers using this strategy often report an uptick in conversions, while a notable percentage of customers do not redeem the full discount, preserving profit margins. This makes it an effective tactic, especially during product launches, seasonal campaigns, or when trying to gain visibility on competitive listings. To implement this strategy, navigate to the promotions section in Seller Central and select the Money Off option. Choose to display the deal on the detail page, require a coupon code, and ensure it's marked as combinable. Monitor performance over a set period and assess the redemption rate against the conversion lift. Incorporating this promotion method into a broader campaign, such as sponsored products or sponsored brands targeting competitor keywords, can further amplify results. When customers see multiple stacked discounts, even if they don't redeem all of them, the perceived deal quality increases significantly. This approach provides a strategic advantage. It delivers the marketing impact of a discount without requiring a full price reduction on every transaction. Sellers are encouraged to test variations of this setup, measure coupon redemption rates, and optimize based on performance. By combining promotions and clip coupons intelligently, it's possible to enhance visibility, boost conversions, and maximize profitability. If you have any questions or need help growing your brand on Seller Central, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.